from Poland and from United States some sirens and generators. So it will be really nice. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
It doesn't get rained on.
Okay. Beautiful. What is the size of engine?
This one's a 114 cubic inch.
Oh, gallon.
So
114
cubic inch. So I'm not sure what the conversion would be. It's probably about 1100.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there.
Oh my god, it's enormous. It's wonderful. What is the year of production?
2021.
2020, are brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
Oh my gosh.
15,000 or 20,000 miles.
20,000 miles. Do you have air condition or something?
Yeah, it's hot in the summer.
I was just visiting the Valley of Fire and it was extremely hot.
Yeah,
There
it's
is
the worst time
oh, and the depth of valley has about 130. It's hardcore.
Yeah.
Thank you very much,
You're
sir.
welcome. Good luck.